Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr Taken and Grindr feature. So let me tell you guys that Taken and Grindr feature allows you to send authentic real-time photos with an animated badge and timestamp. You can simply use it by going to your Grindr app and then go to your chats at the bottom of your screen. Now open a conversation and then tap the camera icon below the typing bar. Now take a photo. Once you take a photo, verify the Taken and Grindr badge is automatically applied. Now the next what you can do is go to your Grindr app one more time and then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down to edit profile. Now tap on the images, tap on the plus icon, tap done. Now tap on take a photo. This feature allows you to toggle the Taken and Grindr watermark on or off during the photo taking process. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.